Robotic Pool Vacuum Cleaner for in-ground pools, effortless cleaning and smart performance. If you're tired of manually cleaning your in-ground pool or struggling with underpowered suction cleaners, then you're going to love what we're featuring in today's video. The Robotic Pool Vacuum Cleaner for in-ground pools. This powerful little machine is a game changer when it comes to automated pool maintenance. Let's break down the key features, performance, and real-world results of this pool robot so you can decide if it's the right fit for your summer oasis. Brain Smart Cleaning Technology. One of the standout features of this robotic pool cleaner is its intelligent navigation system. Unlike random pattern vacuums that waste time, this model uses sensors and mapping to chart the most efficient cleaning path. It systematically covers your entire pool, floors, walls, and waterline without missing spots or getting stuck. During testing, it completed a full cycle in under 2 hours, leaving the water crystal clear and the pool walls spotless. Flexed Biceps powerful suction and debris handling. This robotic pool vacuum comes equipped with a strong dual motor system and high-efficiency brushes. Whether it's fine particles like sand and silt or larger debris like leaves and twigs, this vacuum handles it all with ease. The filter basket is generously sized and easy to remove and rinse, which cuts down on post-cleaning maintenance time. If your pool tends to collect a lot of organic debris, especially during the fall or after a storm, this vacuum is more than capable of keeping things clean without clogging. Brick designed for in-ground pools. This model is specially engineered for in-ground pools up to 50 feet in length. It can tackle various surface types including concrete, tile, vinyl, and fiberglass. The robust rubber treads help it climb walls and even scrub the waterline, which is often a trouble spot with cheaper models. It handles deep ends and inclines impressively without flipping over or losing suction, a common problem with lower-tier robotic cleaners. Waterwave energy efficient and eco-friendly. What's more, it operates independently from your pool's filter system, saving energy and reducing wear on your pool pump. You simply plug it into a standard outlet, drop it in the water, and press start. Some models even come with scheduling and remote control features, so you can run it from your smartphone. The energy efficiency is a big plus for long-term pool owners looking to cut down on utility bills without sacrificing cleanliness. Toolbox hassle-free operation. One of the most user-friendly aspects is the plug-and-play setup. There's no need for hoses, booster pumps, or complicated installations. Most models come with a swivel cable to prevent tangling and feature easy-access filter baskets. If you're someone who prefers low-maintenance solutions, this robotic cleaner fits the bill. Maintenance is minimal, just empty the filter tray after each use, rinse it, and store the unit. That's it. Muted speaker quiet operation. Another point worth noting is just how quiet this robotic vacuum runs. Unlike older models or traditional suction-side cleaners that are noisy and disruptive, this unit operates almost silently. You can run it while enjoying your poolside time without being disturbed. Light bulb optional smart features. Depending on the model, some versions come with Bluetooth or Wi-Fi connectivity, allowing you to control the unit with a mobile app. You can schedule cleanings, switch between cleaning modes, or even manually guide it to problem areas, all from your phone. If tech integration is important to you, be sure to check the model options for app compatibility. White heavy checkmark final verdict. Is it worth it? Absolutely. The robotic pool vacuum cleaner for in-ground pools is an excellent investment for homeowners who value cleanliness, convenience, and efficiency. It saves you hours of manual scrubbing, keeps your pool swim-ready at all times, and helps extend the life of your filtration system. Whether you're a first-time pool owner or looking to upgrade from a basic cleaner, this robotic vacuum offers reliable performance, smart features, and minimal maintenance. Package what's in the box. Robotic pool cleaner unit. Power supply with timer. User manual. Replaceable filter basket. Optional remote or app connectivity, model dependent. Shopping cart where to buy. You can find this robotic pool vacuum on Amazon, often with seasonal discounts or bundle offers. Make sure to check the link in the description for the latest deals and availability. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you won't miss out on future reviews. Got questions about this robotic pool cleaner or want to see a comparison with other models? Drop a comment below. I'd love to help.